Hi there! If you are still using Docker just to containerize your app, you are missing out. In this video, I'll show you 5 pro-level Docker features that are highly in demand but rarely talked about. Let's go beyond the basics. Want smaller, more secure images? Use multi-stage builds. Compile your app in one stage and copy only the essentials into the final image. Speed up your builds with BuildKit. It allows parallel builds, better caching, and even lets you inject secrets securely. A container that's up isn't always healthy. Add a health check so Docker can restart it when it is unresponsive. Don't let one container take down your server. Set CPU and memory limits for safety and better multi-container performance. Switching between local and remote Docker engines, use Docker Context to deploy remotely without SSH. So let's recap the 5 underrated but powerful Docker features. We have the multi-stage builds, the build kit for smaller builds, the health checks for reliability, the resource limits for control, and the contexts for remote deployments. Start using this today and you will feel the difference in speed, security, and sanity. Found this helpful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below on which Docker feature you would like a deep dive on. See you next time.